Hello everyone, it's me again, Kelvin. In this video 119, I'm going to talk to you again about PowerQuery, but this time we're going to work with the date. Now, usually we have a set of date and we would like to know that particular date falls on which day. Is it Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday? Or when is the start of the week? That means, is it Monday? Is 1, Tuesday is 2, and many more. We'll take a look at what we can add to this. Now, let's take a look at the sample data that I have here. I have a table here that shows that a list of date here that shows the 1st of September 2023 all the way to the last one, which is the 31st of October 2023. Now, what's going to happen here is I want to add another column, a few more columns with additional information. If we were to use Excel formula to do this, there's a lot of work. Now, let's see how easy this can be. Now, in the first thing that we need to do here is we need to convert this into a table. Okay, when my data has a header. So once I do that, like I said, my habit is I do not want it to be too colorful. So I just want to make it to none. I just want to leave it to the original situation. Then I'm going to go to the data and say it's data from the table. Okay, so it's loaded into my PowerQuery. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to see the time. I just need the date. So I'm just going to put that date, only the date. So I'm just going to replace the current one. I do not need the date. Now, how well this PowerQuery does this for me is this. You see, all I need to do is I just need to add a few more columns. So I'm just going to click here. I'm going to click on the title, go to the add column, and I go to this date. I can actually see this. You see, name of the day. That's it. You see, it gives me the day name. All right. So if I go to this again, I say I want to know the month name of the month. So it gives me September. So you see, there's no formula required here. And let's just say I go to the year. I would like to see only the year. It will show me the year. And if I go to this column again, date. Now, this is the tricky one. I want to see a day of the week. So, day of the week. So, do you see this? Now, let me just put this one next to the day. If you can see properly, Monday is rated as 0, day of the week, and Tuesday is 1, Wednesday is 2. Now, this is going to be very confusing for a lot of people. So, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put in here this particular column, right? Insert, I reordered the date, and that's it, right? So this is not the one I want to change. I want the day of the week. I go back one step. I want to look at the code. So if I want to change the number, which is the Monday is actually number 1, then all I need to do is just go to the day of the week. After the date, I just put a comma 0. So by putting comma 0, then when I press enter, you'll notice that, oh, sorry, I shouldn't press enter from there. I should press enter at 8. Ta-da. Now you see that Monday is number 1, right? So once I'm happy with what I already have, now let me just go back here and see the number. Now I'm going to change it to date, number, this is text, and this is text. This is number. Okay, everything seems to be in place. I just have to load this. Now, when I load this, I want to load this next to this data. So I'm just going to existing worksheet. I'm going to put it here in column D. Let's do a comparison. Let me just click this. There you go. So with the same date, now I know which day, which week, which month, and which year. So this is the best thing about this, right? Now, if I go on to this and I highlight this all the way to the last day of until December, all I need to do is just right click refresh. You see, it comes all the way down to exactly what I want. That's how PowerQuery, how powerful they will be. All right, so I hope this is going to be useful to all of you who works a lot with date. And please like and share. As I always say, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and also follow me in my TikTok account. Thank you. And I see you in my next video. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.